Today we're going to be learning how to divide decimals. I know dividing is hard, but we're going to learn two strategies to help us. The first strategy we're going to use is unit form. So we're going to start with A, 9/10 divided by 3. We're going to start by writing each of these using unit form. Remember, unit form is where we write the number and then the place value that it's in. So 9/10 divided by 3 ones. Now let's just divide the numbers like we normally would. 9 divided by 3, I know is 3, and tenths divided by 1 is tenths. Something we can remember is whenever we divide anything by 1, it's what we started with. So tenths divided by 1 is tenths. So our answer is 3/10. I can rewrite this in standard form as 0 and 3/10. I'm going to put that on my line here. And we just completed letter A. Let's move on to B. 24/100 divided by 4. Same thing, start with unit form. 24/100 divided by 4 ones. Start by dividing the numbers first. 24 divided by 4 we know is 6. If we don't know that off the top of our heads, we can always think, what can I multiply by 4 to get to 24? 6 times 4 is 24, so 24 divided by 4 is 6. Now let's find the place value that we're going to be in. Hundredths divided by ones is hundredths. So our answer is going to be 6/100. To write this in standard form, we're going to put the 6 in the hundredths place. Well, we don't have any tenths right now, so we're going to put a 0 in the tenths place. And the decimal point always goes to the left of the tenths place. We also have 0 ones. 0 and 6/100. I'm going to write that on the line here. All right. Last one for guided learning, number 1. 32,000 divided by 8. We're going to start, I'm sorry, it's blurry. There we go. 32,000 divided by 8. We're going to start by writing this in unit form. 32 thousandths divided by 8 ones. Start by dividing the numbers. 32 divided by 8 is 4. If I don't know that off the top of my head, remember you can think, what do I multiply by 8 to get to 32? 4 times 8 is 32, so that means 32 divided by 8 is 4. Now let's find the place value. Thousandths divided by ones is thousandths. So our answer is going to be 4 thousandths. We're going to write this in standard form by putting the 4 in the thousandths place. That means there's 0 tenths, 0 hundredths. We'll write that on the line here. Sorry. There we go.